In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure HMA Bollinger Bands day trading system in NinjaTrader. A small commercial before we proceed. HMA Bollinger Bands day trading system is 100% manual trading system. It has nothing to do with auto or mechanical trading systems. The system does not give any auto buy sell signals. It's a manual trading system. The procedure is same, the indicators are same. The indicators that we require are: number 1, Heikin-Ash; number 2, Hull moving average HMA; number 3, Bollinger Bands. And the settings are: HMA, our setting is 26, Bollinger Bands 14, MA period, deviation, standard deviation 0.26, and there are two other indicators which we will talk about later. Now let us start. I have NinjaTrader 7 NT7 in front of me. Let me take a new chart for this presentation. I will take FDAX, which is German DAX 30 futures index. My favorite 456 seconds, 3 days will do. This is June contract. I'll take default 24/7. Yeah, I have German DAX 30 index futures chart in front of me. Let us start configuring. HMA Bollinger Bands day trading system in NinjaTrader. Our first requirement is Heikin-Ash. Unlike AMI broker or MT4, that is MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, the procedure is very straightforward. Without it does not require too much of efforts. Let us see that. Either there are two ways to go to the indicators. Number 1, right click on the chart, indicators. I generally prefer keyboard shortcuts. It's okay. Indicators. The first one we require Heikin-Ash. Just press on the first letter of H. We have got Heikin-Ash. Everything is clear. Just apply. We have got Heikin-Ash. Our second requirement, hull moving average with a setting of 26. Same, either right click or Control I. HMA 26, make it false, everything is same. Here I will make the thickness or width to 2. I want blue, whatever color that you want according to the background. You can select, enter, apply. Okay, so we have got Heikin Ashi, hull moving average with the setting of 26. Our next requirement, Bollinger Bands 14 MA period and standard deviation 0.26. Let us see. Bollinger Bands, here Bollinger 14 0.26, make it false. Take it 2, enter, tab 2, tab 2, apply. Okay, that's it. So very straightforward, simple setup. Setting up HMA Bollinger Bands in NinjaTrader 7 is an extremely simple, straightforward, easiest when compared to either MetaTrader 4 or AmiBroker. You can select whatever the colors that you choose or you want, that actually keeps your eyes cool and without much strain. Now in the event you feel that the labels which are displayed on the top are distracting or looking somewhat messy in the chart, all you have to do is go back to indicators, remove this. I prefer clean chart without any such labels because they are not going to help me in any way. That's it. We have two more indicators, RSI and MACD. All you have to do, RSI 14.9 false, RSI, this I generally prefer red, it's okay, but what color you want, orange, this is green. If it is black background, then lime will be better. 2 over 14.9, and the next one is MACD. I take my indicator which I developed on my own based on the default MACD. The only difference is that you will see MACD 12.26.9, no need to change. New panel, everything is same. Let us see. That's all I have done modified in this indicator is that I wanted to have background color when a particular setting of my requirement is met with. I have configured, made an arrangement in the or changed the coding of the indicator in such a manner that when the histogram crosses 0, the background color should change accordingly. That's all. I didn't do anything much. Now let us arrange all the indicators. It's all over. This is all about configuring HMA Bollinger Bands day trading system in NinjaTrader 7. Let us just take a look how 9:33 seconds chart look in this wonderful subject. That's it. The lines that you see here can be removed by going to properties, by removing vertical, hiding vertical lines. Right click on the chart, click on the properties, the second 1, 2, 3. Here the second aspect, the second part, second panel, you will see vertical grid lines. Change it. That's all. Okay. If you do not want horizontal line, you can remove from the same place, such as properties, here horizontal line. Just hide it. Fonts, clean, neat chart, which is very important for a day trader who is following the charts. That's it. I hope this would be of some use to those who want to start with NinjaTrader, which is one of the best charting software as well as trading software. My favorite, of course. With this, I conclude the presentation. Thank you so much for listening. I am Suresh here. Have a very pleasant weekend.